Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this quick video, I'm going to be reviewing Zoho CRM, which is a popular customer relationship manager platform that is designed for businesses of all sizes. So before we dive in, you can check out the link in the description to explore Zoho CRM for yourself. So first we need to understand what is Zoho CRM. So Zoho CRM is a cloud-based customer relationship management tool that helps businesses manage sales, automate their workflows, and improve the customer interactions. So it offers a wide range of features from lead tracking to AI powered analytics. So let's just talk about what I like about this particular platform. So the first thing is that you are going to get affordable pricing. This particular platform offers a free plan and budget friendly paid options. You will also get the automations and the AI tools. You can find that out with the help of this features section. So it has the features like Zia AI that helps you automate your tasks and analyze the data. All of the things that you get over here is also customizable. You get the tailored workflows, dashboards, and reports to fit your business needs. The integration is also very friendly. You work with Zoho's ecosystem and the third-party applications like Slack, Google Workspace, and more. Now, here are some of the cons that I would like to mention. Like there is a learning curve, so it can be overwhelming for beginners due to its extensive features. So there are a lot of features, so if you are a complete beginner into the management, it might felt very overwhelming for you. The second thing is that there are some of the customer support issues as well. There are some users that have reported slow response time from the support, but I guess you are definitely going to get your issues resolved with their customer support, although there might be some delays. So in my final verdict, I would like to say that Zoho CRM is a powerful, affordable, and feature-rich CRM solution for small to medium businesses. However, if you need faster support or an easier learning experience, you may want to explore the alternatives. So if you want to try Zoho CRM, you can check out the link in the description in which you are going to get the best discounts possible. That's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for